Ito lang ilang parta nila.
Hey guys, it's me Isa and welcome to Bayhana. Sex. You're either having it, you're gonna have it, or you're not. It's your body and you should be able to decide what you want to do with it. But do know this. Once upon a time, your parents had sex. And that's why you're here today. Speaking of parents, today I'm gonna be interviewing my mom,
Doña Caterina, I'm so gorgeous, and I know why.
and asking her all the questions I've ever wanted to know about sex. But to make sure that she's telling the absolute truth, we have our handy dandy lie detector test. And we're gonna zap my mom. I'm ready to make this really awkward for her. The first question is, are you a virgin?
How I am, na makakod niya wa.
Wala pa man. We're still...
I'm sorry. At kasakit!
Okay, now it's on my face.
Animal. Hate you! Sa'yo pagbuntag ha?
So, we know that it kind of works. Did you always practice safe sex?
No, that's the reason why I had you.
So, what's the backstory? You did not always practice safe sex.
Yes, I never practiced safe sex.
So, what happened?
I got pregnant with you.
How old were you when you got pregnant with me?
19.
How did you feel when you found out you were pregnant with me at 19?
I wasn't happy, but I did it anyways.
Was I the best thing that ever happened to you?
Never.
So, how do you practice safe sex now?
Calendar method?
Actually, that's not like the safest birth control method. Even pulling out is not a safe method. I know this because I'm a nurse.
It's the contraceptives. Condoms. The IUD, the sponge.
Or abstinence. Would you tell your kid to use contraceptives?
I never bluntly tell you to use. I just said that be careful, you know what to do. You don't want to end up like me, blah, blah, blah.
That's true. And look at me now. I'm 29 and no kids. I've been brainwashed. Is sex before marriage okay?
As a mom, no. But as a girl, yes.
How is it gonna tell the answer if it's a yes and a no? Get ready to be clean. Oh,
What the F?
oh.
As a mom, of course, you don't want your kids to be like having sex while you're still young, because you are still going to school, and you know, I don't want things to happen the way it did with me before. But then again, as a woman, you cannot really dictate your heart. I don't want to be a hypocrite because I did it before. Of course, I'd rather say that I don't want you guys to be having sex. Honestly speaking, you cannot really control it. Mapugnan pang baha kaysa
Biga!
sa gugmang gi.
You know, you just have to be responsible with your actions, know what you're getting into, be safe, not just from getting pregnant, but STDs. Like, if you're gonna do it, at least do it right. And also, the most important thing is, don't do it if you're pressured. Do you think it's better to wait for the one?
How can you tell if he is the one? You can't even tell if your husband now is the one, you know? You can never say.
Spoken like a true divorcee.
There's no such thing as the one. So if you wait for the one, then you're not gonna have sex at all, period.
When I started dating, did you think that I was having sex then?
Were you?
The question is for you.
No, I didn't think of it that way. No?
You lied!
Yeah, I had a feeling. But then I trusted you.
What was something you wish that you had told me then?
I didn't think I had to tell you anything more because I always snagged at you almost every day.
Do you think it's important to talk about sex at home?
Yes, it's very important to be open to your children about sex. But it depends on how you say it. I had different approaches with you because you are the type of person it doesn't get through your head if I just talk to you. I have to nag it every single day.
Don't put that out in the world because Paulo will agree.
Yes, he does. I'm sure, right, Pao?
Okay, so why do you think it's important to have sex at home? I mean,
Huh?
what?
Sabi ka mag-sex?
Why do you think it's important to talk about sex with your children at home?
Who else can be more honest about sex than your parents for me? if you discuss it openly with your children, they could get the most honest and truthful information rather than them getting it somewhere else.
How do you have a conversation at home? Like, how do you start it?
Well, you cannot just start a conversation right there and then. You have to have like an open relationship, like with your kids, bond maybe.
Have you ever used a sex toy?
Heck no!
Lies!
I have not!
The toy says that you have. Do you think, Mom, that sex toys are important?
It depends on the couple. If you want to be adventurous or if you are like open to each other in that way, why not?
Okay.
I'm organic. It's not toys. Paningot na ko.
Do you think that sex education is important?
Yes, it's very important. See? Wala akong pasabot. This is not legit.
I do think it's really important to have that conversation. Every conversation that regards your body. So the last question is, what is your message to everyone out there?
Sex is sacred. Sex is holy. Sex is godly.
Sacred. So guys,
I'm
I
the
guess
best.
no, Mom, don't ever do that
Why?
again.
Why?
Just
I'm the best.
So there you have it, guys. I asked my mom a bunch of questions about sex. I hope that this taught you something, especially about having the conversation at home. If you feel like you don't have someone to talk to, like a parent, at least have someone that you trust, someone who's a family member or a big sister to you or an auntie. If you don't have that person in your life, feel free to ask me. I will always try my best to give you the best answers that I possibly can. Also, March is Women's Month. Yay! Let's celebrate all the women in our life. Make sure that you're a part of the Bayhana community group if you want to be a part of awesome activities and events, because I will be leaving them there. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget, knowledge is power. Bye!